How to add a Roblox gift card codes PS5. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to redeem a Roblox gift card and use it on your PlayStation 5. Even though you can redeem it directly on the PS5, I'll show you a quick and easy way to do it through the browser, so you can use your Roblox on your console. Let's get started. Step 1. Open a web browser. First, grab your phone, computer, or even the PS5 browser. Open your internet browser and go to roblox.com, redeem. Step 2. Log into your Roblox account. Make sure you log in with the same Roblox account you use on your PS5. Step 3. Enter a gift card code. Now, type the gift card code exactly as it appears, and click on the green redeem button. Step 4. Choose how to use the balance. After redeeming, you'll be asked if you want to convert the card into Robux or keep it as a credit. Select Robux if you want to buy items or game passes in Roblox. Step 5. Open Roblox on PS5. Now, switch to your PS5 and open the Roblox app. Log in with the same account you just used to redeem the card. Step 6. Enjoy your Robux. Your Robux will now be available right there on your PlayStation 5. You can start using in any supported Roblox game. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to redeem a Roblox gift card and use it on your PS5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time.